Verdammte Scheiße nochmal.
Have you ever had a dream and you wish you
know, are you ready to party?
you can
I think so.
I think so.
I think so.
you wish you could you want
This is a commercial break.
you can do everything.
This is actually so funny.
Hello everyone. Welcome back to my guys, look at my mullet. Don't you love it? I'm just gonna hide these parts of hair just behind my thick ass neck. My cats are in this room. Wasn't a good idea. So let's ignore. Maybe it wasn't the best. I got a delivery. Let's get out of here. Today we are gathered here because I want to fuck my hair up once again, but not with color. No. I want to give myself a mohawk. A mohawk. Mohawk. Please, Australians, don't take this offensive. We love your accent. We all know my hair is always healthy, shining, and divine. It is freshly washed every day. There are no split ends at all. Well, let's be honest, I haven't washed my hair in like 3 days. Since I was a child, my big dream was to have a mohawk. No, I'm just kidding. No, honestly, like I think mohawks are a lot of fun, and since I did my ordering weird Amazon wigs video, I kind of found those mohawk wigs which were terrible, like honestly terrible, and I was like, maybe I should do my own mohawk. Murk. I want to name my child Murk. Yeah, since then I was like, maybe I can actually do it with my hair. And then of course we all know I googled it on YouTube. I found this video from LINZORS, which is actually 1 year old, and she did this fake mohawk without having to shave off the sides of your hair, which I'm all here for because I want to shave no hair today. I know you all want me to shave all of my hair off and you're just waiting for the day I'm going bald, but just let me dye my hair a couple of times more and then we might be there. She did it amazingly. She had this bomb hairspray from Got2b, which is basically just glue for your hair, which is what we want. Let's fulfill my mohawk dream and let's get this started. Did you just call it Liberty Hawk? Oh, I'm not even doing a mohawk, I'm doing a Liberty Hawk. I think the difference is Liberty is like chuk, 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 you know, like spikes, because it's from the Statue of Liberty. Yeah. And a mohawk is like, just like, whoop, like completely. I have a little bit of help today. His name is Classy. And he's gonna help me braid my hair because I'm incredibly stupid if it comes to braiding my hair. And he's a genius. The cats are here again. Let's just hope they're gonna be quiet. This is fun. We're done.
We're done.
We're done. I wonder if my hair is too long.
Do that thing with your eyes.
What do you want?
Your hair actually looks really healthy.
Does it?
It does.
Really? Honestly, like I've tried a lot of hair products which help me a lot, but also I'm still bleaching my hair like every couple of weeks, so yeah. So, Classy, why can you do hair so well? Are you a hairdresser or what's going on?
Oh.
Never gonna interview.
I'm actually really like, I don't know how to do this because the hair is so thin at the front.
I literally have no hair left.
Really?
So guys, I actually wanted to film like a Christmas themed hair color video for Christmas, but the blue just won't get out of my hair. So on TikTok, Germany, it's a trend for people to talk like...
Is it a trend?
Yeah, honestly, like I see it on For You all the time. People pretending to be voice actors just because they talk like this. Und auf Deutsch hört sich das noch mal viel schlimmer an.
Wieso denn? Klingt doch total natürlich.
Verdammte Scheiße nochmal. This is a commercial break. Wendy ist deine Freundin für die Ewigkeit. Tunk sie in Wasser und ihre Haare werden pink.
Oh my God.
You guys were actually kind of upset I didn't have any pink clothes in my professional collection.
Pink.
Don't worry guys, there will be another collection.
Oh, there will be another collection.
Of course, mate. Oh, whoa, whoa.
Come on.
Stars every shoe, every color. Getting fingers, it could be kind of fun. When Hannah Montana was on German TV, I was so young.
Same.
Yeah, you were even younger than me. He's 16.
I wasn't even born.
Literally. So I could never sing along the lyrics. I could only like make up some words. With trouble and a super fun. Get the. Do you still know Drake and Josh? Have you watched that? Well, I ain't calling you a truther. If a fly loses its wings, do we call it a walk then?
This is actually so funny.
Do you guys enjoy our babbling while he braids my hair?
Oh my god. What is this?
Yeah, those are my broken ends. That's so sad. I'm exposing the real state of my hair.
More like that.
Oh my god, that's actually really dope. I kind of look really bald here because I have no hair left whatsoever on this part and I'm literally like balding, but honestly it's the look. Okay, so that straight up took us literally 45 minutes maybe?
Really?
I think so. And now I look like Pink. Let's fucking get this to Mohawk or Liberty Hawk. I'm ready. So the girl in the video just sectioned her hair.
Oh, wait. This is weird.
So the problem is my hair is a little too long, I suppose. But I have this got to be no ad hair glue. So I'm just gonna take my bangs right now and I'm gonna spray them with the hair glue, like a lot. That's going so well. Cool. Now we're getting to the longer parts. Do you think that could actually work?
I think that could actually work. I am so in love with this. Oh my god, guys, I can't believe this is actually working. I feel so cool. Mein ganzer Mund schmeckt nach Hairspray. Oh, it's alle voll schief. Is this it? This does not feel like hair at all. Honestly, this is exactly how I imagined it to be like. Just did a good thing. I don't regret this thing at all. From the front, I just look like a troll. First of all, guys, I gotta say, I don't want anyone to be offended. I know this is in no ways professional or good. But it's fun.
It's fun. I couldn't go out like this because like the wind would ruin my hair and just like... Honestly, all the respect to the people who can do this like really good. This is such a cool hairstyle though. It kind of feels like your hair is a living creature on your head. Anyway, is that it for this video? Is that it? Am I just, is that my destiny now? Give me a broccoli rating.
Well, I think it really suits you actually. Like, I like the colors. I think it's...
Well, I had the colors before.
I know.
7.
Wow, that's really good. Stop touching my spikes.
Sorry.
I know this is like really not my kind of hairstyle, but I still love the piece at the front. It really kind of contours my face.
Yeah.
Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh wow. Anyway, don't forget to follow me on all of my social media, which is Naomijon on... Well, you gotta do it now, Vincent's not here.
Really?
Yeah.
Don't forget to follow me on all my social media, which is Naomijon on...
Instagram.
Naomijon Snap on...
Snapchat.
At the Naomijon on...
Twitter.
Twitter! You thought I just had like a weird hairstyle, but boom! I have an even weirder hairstyle. Oh my god. What? Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Oh.
god.
Bye. This is amazing.
This is actually so funny.